So what's up y'all? So welcome to our first reaction video to this channel. And I heard that there will be a Minecraft movie. Wow! And today, Warner Bros. Pictures release a Minecraft movie teaser. Wow! And only one should appear in only one. It should be animation. Animation! It shouldn't be live action. So let's get started. Wait. Okay. Wait, no. I thought it was animation. What the heck? Okay. Oh, no. Nice. Wow, it's not a big shape, so okay.
What the hell?
Then, oh, okay. Wait.
Anything you can dream about
Oh.
here, you can make.
I think they are just using a realistic RTX texture pack at this point. Wow, wait. Oh, wait, is that Emma Myers? Wait, is that Emma Myers, the girl that acted on Wednesday? Okay, wow. Wait a sec. Why Steve is so fat? Literally, why they are making Steve so fat? Just kidding. I'm just becoming a body shamer, I think. What the heck? Hey, let's get this over with.
I'm Steve.
Oh.
Okay.
This guy.
Oh, whoa. What the? What the heck is that? What? I think it's a ship, I think. Oh, it's a zombie piglins. Alright, okay. Oh. Okay. So I don't know how should I feel because my feelings is a bit mixed. First of all, it took a long time. I really want to have a Minecraft movie. Okay? Secondly, I can accept that the movie is live action. Like what the heck? Okay. But it looks pretty good. But it's live action, guys. It's good. How is it well made? Okay? Well made. Well, if people wouldn't have messed with her, I feel like it's Emma Mars. The other side, I know this guy, she would be fine. I'm okay with their realistic approach. I think they are just using the RTX shaders. Look at the piglin. And also the grass, it looks so literally scary. I think I could tolerate him if I watch a Minecraft movie. But there shouldn't be anyone here. I thought what they're doing to make the people voice actors because like Jack Black. They're the one who will act in the movie. Yeah. The movie itself seems like they didn't follow the law of Minecraft. Oh no. It should be okay, guys, if maybe it wasn't mixed with people. But we haven't seen the movie yet. Okay, what is just a teaser? But isn't it like you will just watch it him? But don't get me wrong. I watch him at his release, guys. If his release like this, I guess Steve is just like look at this. And Alex is like this too. Look at it. It's good. It's actually good, guys. It's clean. It's good of the nether. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Look at the construction. It's beautiful. It's like they're on set. Isn't it? She's not CGI. I think this is not CGI. It feels like she's on set, you know? But it's beautiful. As long as my feelings are mixed, guys, she's beautiful. But you expecting something different? But for me, they should give Minecraft a lore, right? If Minecraft is really about, I can watch it 100%. I literally go back to the cinema every single day. But it's good. I don't know why so many people don't like it. So that's just one of my opinions. Don't hate me if my opinions are different on your opinions. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy. So please like, share, subscribe button. See you guys in my other video. Comment down below what should I gonna be react on next video. So suggest me on other content on this channel. It's all about reaction. This was my reaction channel, okay? So that's all for today's video. So goodbye. Well, see you guys in my next video.